An introduction to logarithms. Logarithms is a skill that appears at Core 2 and you'll be using it from now on until you finish your A-level course. A logarithm is a quantity representing the power to which a fixed number, the base, must be raised to produce a given number. That is the definition of a logarithm. And the easier way of thinking about this is, let's just take a really easy example. So let's think about 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. We know that. Okay. Now 2 is the base number. Okay. And what we're thinking about is the base number. And what we want to know is what we raise 2 to, what power we raise 2 to get to the value 8, which we know is 3. And that's basically what logarithms are. It's seeing what you raise a particular number to, so what power you raise a number to. So let's think, so we might want to find out what raise 3 to, so you can get to 51. So what power do we put 3 to get to 51? So the standard way of writing a logarithm is like this. So a to the power of x, so a to the power of x is equal to n, where for log, the base is the a, so the a is the base, so the thing we're going to raise to a power. The n is the final number, so what we used to here, so if it was 2 to the power of 3 like we just had, that 8 was here, and the x is the power to which we're raising the value a to. So writing 3 to the power of 4 equals 81 as a logarithm, we basically have to follow this pattern. So the base number here is going to be the value 3. And the answer we get, so our value of n is 81, and that's going to be equal to the final thing we haven't used, which is the 4. So 3 to the power of 4 gives you 81. So to calculate the value of log to the base 5 at 32, what we do is we use our calculator. Now if you've got a Casio calculator, one of the modern ones, it's very easy to do this now, because when you hit the log button, which you'll find on the top set of buttons, when you press it you get log, you get a box for where you put in your base number, and you get a box for where you put in your other value. So here, when you click your calculator, you're going to put log to the base 5 of 32, and obviously you press equals, and if you do that you get the value 2.15338, which obviously you can round that to 2.15. It'll probably tell you in the question to how many decimal places to give your answer. Now, does that make sense, that value? 2.15, well think about it. 5 to the power of 2 is 25, and 5 to the power of 3 is 125, and 32 is definitely closer towards the 25 side of that. So yeah, we would expect 5 to the power of something relatively close to 5 to give us the answer 32. So you could check by doing 5 to the power of 2.15, and you should get the value 32. So as I said, logarithms is a quantity representing the power to which a fixed number, the base, must be raised to produce a given number. Now, logarithms, like with indices and surds, have various laws. And the next thing you want to watch is the video on the different laws of logarithms.